What's going on, guys? Your man House Buying Brian here with my partner Byron, the investor. And with all the coronavirus pandemic going on and the social distancing, people not being able to work, we want to give you guys a chance to make money with us with our Driving for Dollars challenge.
Yes, indeed. We're looking for houses just like these. Boarded up windows, tall grass, you know what I mean? Beat up a little bit, you know what I mean? We're looking for all of that. If you know somebody or you have a house like that, make sure you hit us up.
We're offering a grand prize to the participant with the most entries. And for any participant that enters a property that ends up in the deal, you'll get paid at closing for that as well. Guys, for more details and to enter, swipe up to join.